Okay, this is the first time trying out the large for my Schweenie. Jump in there. Go in there, Leo. Go. Come in. Go. Ooh, look at, he's not afraid of it. Look at how long he is, though. He's a Schweenie, which is a Dachshund Shih Tzu mix. And I believe from neck to base of tail was 21 inches. And then his head alone is 5 inches, like straight out. But I think this will be nice. Oh my gosh, look at all the room we got in there. I could have put 2 dogs in there. Anyways, it's the large. And then I got the gray one for this guy, who is a little bit taller. And he's probably about 18 inches from shoulder to base of tail.
Forrest, you like your doggy car seat? You want to go for a ride in the car with it again? Yeah? Yeah, you like it, huh? You think I could carry you in it? Let's see. I could carry you in it. Okay, he's done. Nice and high so you can see out the window. It makes you so much happier, doesn't it? Not even nervous anymore. Oh, you're gonna explore? Hi, sweetie. Cinnamon. Hi, baby. Hi, Cinnamon. Are you see